same earth, side by side. Shared every dream, had nothing to hide. But a small word turned the joy to pressure and broke the bond we used to treasure. You misunderstand what I tried to say. It looks like as if I walked away. I just needed time to start off new, but I never stopped caring for you. Why do we bother with anger and pain, throwing our friendship like rubbish in rain? Our story's historic, not easy to replace. No one can ever take someone's place. Your message sounds so urgent tonight. I want to grab my phone, make things right. I'll drop my pride, no need to pretend, because I don't want this to be the end. Inside the cabinet, a fire's glow. I built a sculpture of trust long ago. Even when things get weird or rough, real friends put up with the tough stuff. Why do we bother with anger and pain, throwing our friendship like rubbish in rain? Our story's historic, not easy to replace. No one can ever take someone's place. Maybe our destination is learning to see how much your friendship still means to me. I'll do my research, find the right way to show I could never